Hey everybody, Wes Shepherd here, and welcome to video number 5 in the 5 ways to improve your sleep tonight mini course. I'm really happy that you made it to video number 5, and hopefully you're receiving all this information. You're excited to make these changes. Some of it you might have heard of it before, some of it probably is pretty new and new concepts, which is great. That's exactly what should be happening. In this video, what we're going to be talking about is temperature and how temperature impacts your sleep and how you can really modify your temperature to make sure that you're sleeping really well. So really basic stuff about sleep is that your body temperature actually drops about 1 to 2 degrees depending on who you are, Fahrenheit, when you go to sleep. So what's really important about that is that if your environment is too warm, then your body won't be able to get deep sleep and oftentimes will actually wake up at night. So if you've ever experienced going to sleep and then you wake up at night and you're burning hot and you literally throw the covers off of you and you're sweating and you're in a pool of sweat and you're just so hot and so uncomfortable that you wake up in a panic, right? I don't know if you've ever been there. I have more times than I'd like to count, and I hope I never have that again. But what's happening is that your body is overheating and it's panicking because it feels like it's not able to be in this rest and repair mode. So what needs to happen is that the temperature needs to drop so that you can go into your natural sleeping state. So how can you do that? There's a couple of really simple tips that I can give you. First of all, an hour before you go to sleep, just turn down the temperature in your house to 64 to 66 degrees Fahrenheit. And if you're worldwide and you're in Celsius, you're just gonna have to Google it and convert it. I'm not a Celsius. I don't know what it is, but you can go ahead and look that up. So 64 to 66 degrees. You can kind of tweak it to see what you like. I personally really like 66 degrees Fahrenheit. So about an hour before bed, I just click the thermostat down to 66. I can feel it starting to get colder, and that starts to make me get more tired, and sometimes I'll put on a little sweatshirt. And then what you want to do is have it be at about 66 degrees when you are going to sleep, and that's going to help you tremendously with naturally being able to go into a nice deep sleep really easily. Another way that you can regulate your temperature before bed is actually a little bit counterintuitive. So you may have heard me in a previous video talk about taking a magnesium salt bath before you go to bed. And you might be like, well, wouldn't that really warm me up because you're in the bath? And the answer is yes, but only in the short term. So what's going to happen is you're going to get into the bath and it's going to completely relax you, which is amazing, but it's also going to make your body heat go onto the surface of your skin, which is called vasodilation. So that's why you get like red when you're in the bath. Your face gets red and your skin gets red, and you feel kind of like puffy a little bit. What's going to happen, you know that feeling when you get out of the bath and then you instantly get like really cold and freezing, and then you're like, give me a towel, give me a towel. That is what the temperature is actually leaving your body from the surface of your skin. So it's in your core temperature. It's not as easy for it to just escape, but when you get out of the bath really quickly, the heat from your body is actually escaping. So it naturally lowers the your core body temperature in a kind of rapid fashion and makes it really great for you to go to sleep right after the bath, after you do your kind of nighttime routine. So that's kind of a cool thing that not many people know about baths and what happens with your core temperature, but that's why we really highly recommend that as a great nighttime routine and something that'll really benefit you. So that wraps it up for video number 5 on temperature. Go ahead and lower your house temperature to between 64 and 66 degrees Fahrenheit, and just pick what you like. And you'll find that really helps you to get better, deeper sleep throughout the night. And then also consider taking a bath or a hot shower at night before you go to bed, and making sure that you kind of give yourself time to let the heat escape from your body. So I hope that you enjoyed these 5 tips, and go ahead and move on to just this last video where we're going to talk about, if you really enjoyed these tips that you got, what you can do to further your education in sleep, learn about more things that you can do, and also get the bonuses that we're going to include in the next video. So go ahead and move over to the next video, and we'll see you there. Thanks.